guys, today you're just going to learn something simple, and please apply this in your life if you're using Python. Okay, we're just going to create a virtual environment which will help us to code correctly in case we move our codes from our local machine to different PC so that it will work. Okay, before we start, I have an empty folder here called Python codes. Okay, so let me drag it and paste it inside of just the code and do more explanation there. Okay, so this is the directory that I just pull up. I think my Visual Code is now loading. Okay, so now if you don't have this terminal, just click here and click new terminal, you get it. Okay, so the virtual environment is just like everything that I code here. If I paste it in other place, just like the GitHub, or deploy it, I will not be encountering error. So always practice this if you want to start coding in your Python. Okay, so what we're just going to do is py3 using aim. Okay, our virtual environment. Okay, so let's create a folder for our virtual environment, or directory, that's the word. So let's say our folder is called test app. Okay, so immediately I press enter, here it is. So this is the line of code that you must always do before you start your project. Okay, so test app. All right, let's look into it. We have days inside, we have include, scripts, which is very important, the library too, all of them are important. Okay, so inside the library we have something called pip and a lot of things there. So the pip, we have a few files here, Python files here, okay, which we need more. In our local machines, this is how it started when you first install your Python. Okay, so now in our local machine we have a lot of pips inside. So let's say pip freeze. So I just want to show you that there is a difference between, you see, the virtual environment and your local machine. So in your local machine you have all this. So the best thing is you can copy all this from your set packages in your program files and paste it all inside, or you can just install it inside using the pip install line of code. So I'm just going to show you all. Okay, so let's clean this. Okay, so now we're able to create our test app. So always run that line of code. Okay, always run this line of code before you start your project. So now let's look inside. So let's say cd change directory to test app. So we press the tab key. So I just want to use the command prompt. I think that place will be better there. So cmd will change us to the command prompt. So we are here. Okay, so let's see something here. Now you have able to create it, you need to activate your virtual environment. If you activate it, there will be something here, okay, a bracket which has the name of the virtual environment. So look at it. So we have script and we have activate bit. So this is the keyword here. So we have scripts slash, so it's just like the slash here, so slash activate dot bit, and see something here. Okay, now we have test app. So this is the virtual environment that we have created. So you see it's still there. So this is like we have created our own platform on this kind of machine. So that's why I'm saying that your codes will work on every machine. So always use this approach. So let me clear things here. Okay, now we're able to do this. Let's start putting in libraries inside of this. So let's say we want to, okay, before this, let me create an app. Let me create a file inside of this. So you have something called app.py. You can choose to name it anywhere you want. You see, if I import Streamlit, which I mostly use it at times for my coding, because I want to code certain web applications. Okay, I think this one is functioning correctly. Okay, but in yours it won't happen this way. There will be an underline there. Okay, so let's say pip install Streamlit. Okay, so now we are inside of this place. You see how it's installing. So now look at this place. You see there will be a change. We were having all this, but there will be a change after this. Okay, so you can choose to install a lot of packages, but I'm not here to just install packages. I'm just here to show you how to set up your environment. And so make sure that that thing is there. Okay, all right. So now I've built a test app, a correct one that you can convert words and send it to your friends, and I'm just going to show you. So please subscribe to this video and subscribe and keep me motivated so that I will be able to do much. And if you have any comments, you let me know. All right, thanks for watching.